I'm going to start my speech in three, two, one. Mr. and Madam Speaker, we are living in in developing countries that force our people to have a job because to in order for live in the developing country, you need to spend a lot of money. But the problem is that the job in the developing country is so limited to begin with. The trend of the following foreign country to step in the developing country to earn some money of it is close so many chance for these people to have a job because of how the foreign companies is not only preferring the foreign worker but also crushing the local business that is happening in the status quo. We believe government should enter and pass a new regulations for foreign company to at least to have their quota for their local worker in order for them to giving the chance for people to live, but also to increase and enhance the economic cycle to begin with. Our stand is clear as opening government. We want to require all of the foreign company to that operating in developing countries to have their own quota for local workers to work. In order to have the stance to work, OG set few mechanisms. First of all, we will make the regulations that force the foreign company to have the minimum quota in hiring local workers. But second of all, if those companies are unable to do so, the local government will give them warning that needs them that force them to earn a local or hire a local workers. Better of all, I think that this is also be the company responsible in choosing or to decide on which local workers that are going to choose, what are the specifications and etc. That is going to make these people to work. And lastly, if those company are neglected those warning that I stated before, the company permissions will be taken off and they cannot run their company in this country. Two arguments why that foreign country should be the one who is responsible for jobs that happen in status quo, and second, why by having the minimum quota for local workers, it could boost the economic cycle in developing countries. First argument, why the foreign company should be the one who is responsible for the jobs that happen. Let's take a look in the status quo. I think that the trend in the status quo that is happening on how that there are a lot of foreign company stepping into the developing country, they continuously investing into the developing country. They turn so many lands into dozens of the manufacturers company, or they are setting up a very big branch office into developing countries. This I think that the harm of this foreign big company is for sure they are slowly but sure crushing the local companies. How is that so? I think that what if you take a look in the status quo, what is local government local companies done is actually is having in the state of danger on how all of their innovation is running slowly, but on the other hand these foreign countries are trying to catch them up and turn these local companies to down. I think that this is what caused jobless in this current status quo, where people are unable to have a job. They are get fired. They are get fired. Dozens of people get fired and making them to not have the job. I think that all of these harms is caused by the foreign company on how they are continuously trying to prove that they are actually the one that is better than the local companies, which makes the local companies feels and also lose the trust of the people. Therefore the foreign company step in forward to this. I think that this harms is pretty clear that they actually need to also pay back by how the local workers need to have the job in that company in itself. Why do this foreign company wants to accept us as local worker? I think that of course this big company, this foreign company, is profit oriented. Of course they are already seeing a huge potential in establishing their company into the developing country. They seen how their sales will go up in the next 5 years, for example in building smartphone in certain in particular developing countries, for example. I think that there will be done anything necessary to achieve it or to earn it. Therefore, they need to obey the law that will going to be released by the government. And one of the law is that how they need to hiring also the local workers in it, because of how they are afraid to lose all the profit that they are envisioned for the next years or the next 5 years. Therefore this will therefore it prove to you why then the foreign company cause so much harm, and why then they should pay back, and why they are actually wanting to do that. Second argument, why by having these local workers work, it could boost the economic cycle in developing countries. I think that the main characteristic, one of the main characteristic in developing country is they have a huge purchasing power. What does it means, Madam Chair? I think that there are a lot of new brands or very high, a new brands that is sold first in the Southeast Asia region, which most of them are developing country. This is proof to you that they are seeing a huge potential in us. However, this cannot be run if these people are jobless. If these people are not having money, then these people cannot buy those brands and move the economic cycle to begin with. Therefore, these people need to have their job to actually secure to actually secure what they are already what they are already wants to. Therefore, in the end of the day, if these people have the job, if these people working in the foreign countries, will at least these people will turn to buy stuff, not to be consumptive per se, but these people will actually need to buy something, either it's food or even either it's daily needs that is actually going to run the economic cycle slowly for the betterment of the developing country. In the end, this initiative will make developing countries more better, and also make the foreign companies earn a lot profit by doing so. Very proud to propose. Thank you very much.